Hey guys, today I'm going to be taking down my decorations and I'm showing you the disaster in my house before I take down the decorations. Yes, it looks a hot mess in here, but you guys are going to join me as I get rid of this Christmas stuff and get my living room back to normal. So yeah, let's go. That's the dining room and the other side. And my house is not a huge house. I have a living room dining room combination and less to clean up, I guess, when it's not so big. So yes, I love it, and I'm going to just show you guys how I take down my decorations. Let's get it. So guys, I'm getting ready to hang up these curtains. If you did not see them, I showed these in a haul. If it hasn't been put up yet, it will definitely be put up very soon. So I'm putting these curtains up, and I was told that you can use command strips to hang up rods for your curtains. Yeah, this did not work for me. It did not work. Me and my husband still had to drill pilot holes and use anchors and all that, because you know our ceiling, our not ceilings, but our walls are plaster, so they're very hard to screw stuff into. So I try to use any option to not have to go through the peeling and crumbling walls trying to get a hole in them. So this did not work. So I end up, like I said, screwing them up on the wall anyways. But these curtains here, I did show in a haul, and I'm going to be getting some more panels. I did not like the fact that they didn't look full enough for me, so I'm going to be getting 2 of each, and I'm going to be doing some cream tiebacks. These are like an ivory with a gray, and that matches the rug, because the rug is like ivory and gray, but I want them to have some of the cream from the chairs in them as well. So I'll be doing that, and hopefully I can get a tour of the room and also do a living room tour as well. So stay tuned for that, and I hope you guys are enjoying this mini clean with me, also a decoration takedown. Talk to you guys later. Looking for your girl on social media, this is where I am at CPR for the Body. But hey, before you go, check out these great videos I have lined up.